Hello, just a quick video. This is a video that a lot of people have asked on social medias platforms, and we will show you what they were asking, and please hit that like and subscribe. We're at my tractor, and some people are wondering, how do you find the serial number for the Fordson Dexta? So I'm going to show you guys, and we are going to do that quick. So we'll show you how to do that. The serial number should be on the bell housing of the tractor, and I'm going to show you where it is. If I can. So it is actually right there. As you can see, sometimes it is a little hard to read, but mine is 47 F 7244, and that's where you find it. And some people say it's over here too, but I'm not sure about that. No, that is something else. I think that's a cast number, but it is here. So you can find it on the, and then there's also online, you can look it up. So yeah, it is actually right there on the bell housing.